Hi, everyone. It's Karen Lightman, Executive Director of MEMS Industry Group, and I'm so thrilled. I'm here at our 9th annual MEMS Executive Congress in beautiful Napa, and I have an old friend here, Rakesh Kumar of Global Foundries, and I'm really thrilled that you could take some time to talk to me today. And you've come to the Congress before, but I'm curious, what have you enjoyed the most now for this one?
Yeah, Karen, thank you very much for having me over here. First of all, the most thing that is I'm enjoying is the weather over here. You know, coming from Singapore, which is hot and humid, I think it's a pleasant surprise. Actually, this Congress has been very important for us. The reason being that we see the most of the key people and decision makers over here, and I have been able to connect with many of the decision makers and the people who are important to our business. So I feel that having the people from all the spectrum or segments of MEMS over here, from design to final test to end user system manufacturers, is very important, and we get a broad perspective, which is otherwise not possible, and we get to know what is happening in MEM today and what is expected in future.
Wonderful. Thank you. I'm glad it's beneficial to you. And we were thrilled to have your CTO as our keynote. He did an amazing job. Any thoughts on his keynote?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, Greg has talked about key differentiation between CMOS and MEMS, and how CMOS foundries can enable MEMS by bringing in the standardization. And one of the key things that is important for this is, of course, the partnerships that we are looking at, from EDA manufacturers to the specialty foundries, research organizations, and OSAT houses. So I think with the standardization, we can definitely enable fabless and fablite companies over here, and that can expand MEMS that we are, that we need for the vision of trillion sensors. I mean, it won't be possible unless there are foundries out there, or there are people who can enable these fabless and fablite companies who are coming with very innovative and very new ideas that are not possible with the proprietary processes that are available out there from the IDMs.
Great. Wow. You should have been the keynote. You have such a great knowledge of this industry. You've seen a lot. So I'm curious, we just had the MEMS Technology Showcase, and I'm going to keep my favorite a secret, but I'm curious, which one did you enjoy the most?
I think of course, every showcase was very, very interesting, but in particular, I like the Microzen. And the reason is this, that Microzen, I think, is one of the energy harvesting in particular is the key to trillion sensor vision. If we think about sensors with all the application processing or the processors plus the wireless network, one key missing thing is the energy. Yeah, energy harvesting. So if energy harvesting can be provided, then trillion vision is not very far.
Yeah, I completely agree that it's all about power in many ways. So thank you so much for sharing your time with me today, and I'll look forward to seeing you at the next event.
Yeah, it has been a pleasure, and thank you very much for having me over here.